Now come to pair number 7. This time I own. The next year's science fair project was testing the theory that viceroy butterflies copy monarchs. Count you understand reason, subject, or person or thing that is being discussed, described, okay, or dealt with. The next year's science fair project was testing the theory that viceroy butterflies copy monarchs. That was the subject. The theory was that viceroys look like monarchs because monarchs don't taste good to birds. Viceroys, on the other hand, do taste good to birds. This is the difference between monarchs and viceroys. Viceroy looks like monarch. Monarch doesn't taste good to birds. Viceroy did so. This is the difference. So the more they look like monarch, the less likely they are to become a bird's dinner. Albright's project was to see whether, in fact, birds would eat monarchs or not. He found that a starling here means gregarious old world songbird with a straight bill. So it is a kind of bird. Would not eat ordinary bird food. It would eat all the monarchs it could get. Albright said later research by other people showed that viceroys probably do copy the monarch. This project was placed first in Zoology Division and third overall in the county science fair. So here again pair number 7 states his another discovery, his another project. He worked on it, and after that project he got first prize in the Zoology Division and third overall in the county science fair. तो पैर नंबर 7 हम देखते हैं सिंपली यहाँ पे जो साइंस फेयर में वो फिर नेक्स्ट ईयर जाते हैं जहाँ पे उनकी टेस्टिंग थी कि वायसराय जो है वायसराय बटरफ्लाइज कॉपी मोनार्क्स. दैट वाज द थ्योरी क्या थी कि वायसराय जो है दिखता है मोनार्क की तरह, लेकिन दोनों डिफरेंस क्या है, मोनार्क जो है बर्ड्स को नहीं टेस्ट करता, लेकिन वायसराय क्या करते हैं, उसको टेस्ट करते हैं. एक तो ये बात थी. दूसरा उन्होंने पाया जो एक बर्ड है स्टारलिंग एक ऐसी बर्ड है जो कि ऑर्डिनरी बर्ड फूड को नहीं खाती. ठीक, वुड नॉट ईट ऑर्डिनरी बर्ड फूड. वो किसको खाती है, इट वुड ईट ऑल द मोनार्क्स इट कुड गेट. यानी स्टारलिंग ऐसा बर्ड था जो है साधारण बर्ड फूड नहीं खाती थी, बल्कि मोनार्क को खाया करती थी. तो इसके बाद ये पता चला कि जैसे उनका टेस्टिंग थी कि वायसराय बटरफ्लाइज क्या करती हैं, मोनार्क को कॉपी करती हैं. तो ये प्रोजेक्ट उनका था, इसमें उन्होंने काम किया और उसको प्रूफ किया, और ये प्रोजेक्ट जो उनका पहला स्थान रखा जूलॉजी डिवीज़न में और थर्ड पूरा ओवरऑल काउंटी साइंस फेयर में. तो ये एक अनदर अचीवमेंट थी एब्राइट की. सो रिमेंबर हाउ एब्राइट वाज प्रोग्रेसिंग डे बाय डे, how his experiment was progressing day by day. Every time he realized he observed something and he worked on it. He followed the suggestion of Dr. Urquhart, who suggested him to do real experiments. Now he started doing real experiment. After that he got several prizes, and here you see this project, this theory that viceroy butterflies copy monarchs. This theory was proved by whom? Albright, and this project was placed first in the Zoology Division and third overall in the county science fair. So that was the discussion of pair number 7. Now come to pair number 8. Now it also suggests the another effort of Albright. In his second year in high school, Richard Albright began the research that led to his discovery of an unknown insect hormone. That is the discovery of an unknown insect hormone. Indirectly, it also led to his new theory on the life of cell. That is the important part. Life of cell. That was the work done by Albright on this project, life of cell. The question he tried to answer was simple. What is the purpose of 12 tiny gold spots on a monarch pupa? Everyone assumed the spots were just ornamental. This is the general belief, Albright said, but Dr. Urquhart didn't believe it. To find the answer, Albright and another excellent science student first had to build a device that showed that the spots were producing a hormone necessary for butterflies' full development. This is the symbol of butterflies' full development. This project won Albright first place in the county fair and entry into the International Science and Engineering Fair. So this project was done by Albright. He won it. There he won third place for geology. He also got a chance to work during the summer at the entomology laboratory of Walter Reed Army Institute of Research. As a high school junior, Richard Albright continued his advanced experiments on monarch pupa. So here you see what is happening. He is doing project after project and he was getting success. Okay, but remember, he did a lot of work, and as the title of the chapter suggests, that making of a scientist. This is the steps how Albright has become a scientist. As a high school junior, Richard Albright continued his advanced experiments on monarch pupa. The year his project won first place at the International Science Fair and gave him the chance to work in the Army laboratory during the summer. In the senior year, he went a step further. He grew cells from a monarch's wing in a culture and so that the cells would divide and develop into normal butterfly wing scales only if they were fed the hormone from the gold spots. So this is the observation made by Albright. This was the project done by Albright. That project won first place for geology at the International Fair. He spent the summer after graduation doing further work at the Army Laboratory and at the laboratory of the US Department of Agriculture. So you can see in pair number 8 we have seen the achievements of Albright. We have seen several projects of Albright and we have also seen how Albright has won the first places in geology division. First third, then first. From third to first he jumped. How? By doing several projects. तो पैरा नंबर 8 हम केवल यही देखते हैं कि Albright अलग अलग प्रोजेक्ट्स पे काम करते हैं और उस पर काम करने के बाद जो है उनकी अचीवमेंट क्या है, बढ़ती चली जाती है. तो हम ये देख रहे हैं इस चैप्टर में कि Albright का चाइल्डहुड में क्या हॉबी हुआ करती थी और आज जो सीनियर लेवल पे आ रहा है तो उसकी अचीवमेंट क्या है. तो डेवलपमेंट कहाँ से कहाँ हुई, किसके द्वारा हुई. दो व्यक्तियों को हम देख रहे हैं. पहला जो है उसकी मदर, दूसरा हम डॉक्टर उर्कहार्ट की बात करेंगे जो उसको सजेस्ट किया कि तुम क्या करो, रियल एक्सपेरिमेंट करो. जब वो रियल एक्सपेरिमेंट करने लगा तो उसको क्या है काउंटी साइंस फेयर में, इंटरनेशनल साइंस फेयर में क्या हुआ, प्राइज़ मिलता गया, फर्स्ट प्लेस मिलता गया. ओके.